no. No, no.
Where's Dixie?
I don't know.
Dixie!
She go in the house?
Where's the lightning at? It was just here a minute
There she
ago.
is. She's right there.
Where's the lightning at?
Wait
heck?
for it. Wait. There's the thunder.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
Booyah. Oh, my camera just went so out of focus after that. Wow. Whenever lightning flashes, my camera goes out of focus.
Did you see that one?
Yeah, I caught it. Stop going out of focus. Oh my god.
Whose dog is that?
I don't know. It's a good question. There we go. Alright, that looks like it's...
Didn't you just put him in the house?
That's one. Yeah, there's some thunder. Well, this was Minecraft Dude 2018. I will see you guys later. This is my Thunderstorm.